নবম শ্রেণীর পঞ্চম সপ্তাহের ইংরেজি অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট সমাধান ও উত্তর। তো এটি হচ্ছে তোমাদের প্রশ্ন, দ্য পাস্ট টাইমস নিয়ে লিখতে হবে। আমি সরাসরি উত্তরে চলে যাচ্ছি। চেঞ্জেস অফ পাস্ট টাইম ইন বাংলাদেশ। পাস্ট টাইম ইজ এনিথিং ডান টু পাস টাইম প্রেজেন্টলি when people do something remaining free from all kinds of hard physical labor, mental conflicts and responsibilities. It is called a pastime. People like to enjoy their leisure time deliberately and spontaneously. It keeps a man engaged to an attractive thing and saves him from the evil path. There are many kinds of pastimes to pursue along with our daily duties. Pastime of old generation. Pastime of old generation. Pastimes mean an activity that someone does regularly for enjoyment rather than work. Pastimes varies from generation to generation, ages to ages. Traditional pastimes of Bangladesh are practiced mostly in rural areas. All are not equally favorite now because of the Western games. Hadudu, also known as Kabaddi, is the only internationally recognized traditional sport of Bangladesh. Besides Daryabanda, Gollasut, Sachara, Borofwani, Birinsi, Kutkut, Kanamasi, Tillo, Sologuti, Bagsagol, Fultoka etc. are still popular in suburban and rural areas. সরি, আমার মিস্টেকগুলো সবাই অ্যাভয়েড করবে আমার কথাগুলো, বাট একটু বানানের দিকে খেয়াল রেখে তোমরা লিখবে, তাহলে প্রত্যেকেরই সহজ হয়ে যাবে, নো প্রবলেম। আচ্ছা, এরপরে দিস ওয়ার দেয়ার ফেভারিট পাস টাইমস of all the stays in our lives. It is our childhood we remember most fondly. It is the only time when we are allowed to be without much responsibility to run wild and to play with the abandon. For many of us, our childhood memories are closely associated with toys that were cheaply made. Along with all this was a different kind of play culture. People living in lively, close, kind neighborhoods called paras where the children of each house would get together in the afternoon to play সুচিবুড়ি আর হাডুডু। এগুলো আসলে গেমের নাম। আচ্ছা, যাই হোক, টিলো এক্সপ্রেস আর সাম আদার গেম দ্যাট involved a lot of laughing, shouting and running around. Pastime of new generation. The activities we do regularly for pleasure rather than work are called pastimes. Pastimes provide us with opportunities for rest and recreation. In Bangladesh, people of both village and cities have their own pastimes. Usually, village people spend their pastimes chatting and doing various socio-cultural activities nowadays. Some village children and boys play different kind of rural towns are generally educated and they spend their pastimes by reading newspapers, magazines, novels and other literary works, by visiting many historical places. আচ্ছা, এরপরে by going out for a picnic, by enjoying shows and exhibitions. They also participate in discussions on political issue at tea stalls. The younger generation in cities is very much fond of playing cricket, operating a computer, driving motorbike, cycle and reading books. Women in town are fond of watching dramas and films on television and listening music. In fact, a common pastime for all works of people in village and towns is watching television. We won't see these activities now. The process of urbanization, the aggression of satellite television, and people's dependence on technology have changed our lifestyle. Now, boys and girls of urban and semi urban areas are more dependent on the computer for social working, networking, video games, or computer assets programs. আচ্ছা, এরপরে চলে যাচ্ছে এরপরে উপসংহার কনক্লুশনে। দেয়ার ইজ নো ডাউট দ্যাট পাস্টাইমস আর দ্য best means of spending leisure and useful hobbies can certainly keep people away from evil works of life. They channelized the exuberance, enthusiasm, and energy of the young and can go a long way in solving many complex problems. Pastimes should not be converted into a dull, dreary task but should be treated as a mental enjoyment. Regular work should not be ignored for the sake of pastimes. তো এই ছিল তোমাদের অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট সমাধান। আমার কথায় কোনো ত্রুটি থেকে থাকলে অবশ্যই ক্ষমা সুন্দর দৃষ্টিতে দেখবে, আর কোনো অসুবিধা হলে কমেন্টসে জানাবে, আর অবশ্যই বানানের দিকে খেয়াল রেখে সুন্দরভাবে সবাই লিখবে। আর প্রত্যেকের সুস্থতা কামনা করছি। জরুরি প্রয়োজন ছাড়া সবাই ঘরে থাকবে, সুস্থ ও নিরাপদ থাকবে। ধন্যবাদ তোমাদের। পরবর্তীতে আবারও অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট সমাধান নিয়ে হাজির হয়ে যাব ইনশাআল্লাহ।